Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today we got a new video, and today it's about Star Wars. Okay, I think everyone likes Star Wars, so I got here a kit from Star Wars. This is a level 3 and this is about 23 parts. I like very much of these little ones because it's easy to build, very quickly to build. You don't have too much work on that. They have so many nice details, and for the weathering, it's the part I like. This is very good for the weathering. So this is the Boba Fett Slave 1. So I'm going to open this and show you. You can see here, it's so easy. The sprues, but so let me open this and show you. Here on my store, WarkitStore, the price is here, so it's very cheap, this one, and it's very nice to, if you want just to chill out or experimenting new things, or guys, to make with your child. If you have childs, this is a nice kit to do with them. Okay, so let's open this and I'll show you the instructions. Take a look of this. So the only bad thing on these guys, they send the clear part without any protection. Okay, so bad thing, Revell. So we got here some of the parts, and as you can see, they have very nice panels. Okay, they are deep enough for you to make the good pin washes on this. So it is super detailed and so easy, guys. This is so easy to build. At the end, you just put on the stand. Okay, and the size, it's very good. You see the details. So for this price, believe it, this is very cheap. See all these details, guys. Wow, very nice. So this is one series of these ones from Star Wars. I'm going to start building using Vallejo mecha colors, the new mecha colors from Vallejo. So this is going to paint all with that, and you guys are going to see me using these ones. So very good. Let's put this again here. This big one, and I'm going to leave out the clear part on the box because Revell, don't do that. Just a little bag of plastic to put this, because this is a big one, and if they have risks, it's going to see. Okay, so this is a level 3. It's not for experienced guys, so some guys don't know how to polish the clear parts. Okay, so instructions. Yes, let's see the instructions. So the safety, they always sent. The resume of you must use. Okay, all the tools you are going to need. We got here all the symbols, you guys to see. Okay, they say to glue the clear parts with the clear glue they have, and it is awesome. It's one of that I use. We got all here, all the colors you are going to need for that. So just make a conversion from the Revell colors. So simple as that. You see here what this brings the kit, and let's see. It's very easy. First steps. Okay, we got all in this. So this is so very quickly, and for beginners, it's very nice thing to start building. Okay, And for details, because of some parts you don't need any glue, it's good for painting and welding all these up parts. You see the side, the bottom of the ship. Whoa, just make very nice washes, and it's going to be fantastic, guys. To be fantastic. So this is an awesome kit for you to start the Boba Fett Slave 1. Okay, so here it is, guys, the price, don't forget. You're on WarkitStore. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to catch up on the next video with you guys. Okay, so bye, and thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.